Have you ever seen an inverted V? A V upside down? That symbol is actually a phonetic symbol, and it produces the sound uh, 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 uh. You can find it in words like come, love, hunt. I'm sure you remember that symbol. The sound is uh, hunt, love, come. That's another special word that it appears in, which is country. Country. It is not called country, neither is it called country. It is called country. 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 I love my country. I am proud of my country. Country. All right.